What's up guys, this is Shiveen and you're watching Softway. In this video, I will tell you guys how you can install Windows 10 on your PC if you have Windows 7, Windows 8.1 or Windows 8 already installed on your PC. And you can install Windows 10 on your PC for completely free. So it is a very easy procedure guys, but before we begin with the video, I would just like to tell you guys that if you encounter any software related problems, then just comment it down on our videos or email us and we will make a solution video for you guys. Now before we begin with the video, here's a quick word from our affiliate. The KeepSolid VPN Unlimited is an amazing VPN service which provides a solid DNS firewall for your PC. You can try it out for free using the link below and use the code SOFTBAY20 to get a 20% off on your purchase. Okay, so now let's begin with the video. So the first thing that you have to do is go to the description below and go to the Windows 10 website that is mentioned in the description of this video. So if you go to the link in the description below, you will be able to see under Create Windows 10 Installation Media a Download Tool Now button. Just click on that Download Tool Now button and it will start downloading the Windows 10 installation media on your PC. Now once that Windows 10 installation media downloads on your PC, just open it up and run it. Once you run the setup, you have to choose upgrade this PC now, assuming that this is the PC that you want to upgrade. If you want to upgrade a different machine, then just choose create installation media for another PC and then save the installation files and then copy these files to your other machine which you want to upgrade, and you can upgrade that PC like this. However, I'm going to assume that we're going to be upgrading the same PC that you're working on. So just choose upgrade this PC now and then just follow through the steps in this installation media setup until the end. So after it ends and the upgrade is complete, it will restart your PC into Windows 10. And then after it loads, just go to your Windows settings and then go to update and security, and in update and security just go to activation, and then there you should see a digital license for Windows 10. That means that Windows 10 has successfully been installed on your PC. Now remember that this will only work if you have a genuine and official version of Windows 7, 8 or 8.1 already installed on your PC. That way you can get Windows 10 for free. But if you have a previous version like Windows XP or Vista installed, then just comment it down on the video if you want me to make a video on how to upgrade those versions to Windows 10, and I'll make a video for you guys as well. And that is it for this video. So thank you guys for watching this video, and like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.